Welcome, and in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So at first you need to open the list of all apps and locate settings. Then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select system, go to the about phone and locate a build number. Just click 7 times on it. And as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So let me go back. And as you can see, developer options appear under system settings. So just click on developer options, scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice auto system update. So unless it is active, just make sure that the indicator is blue, and from now on your updates will be applied automatically as only device restarts. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.